Hello, my name is Brittany Carroll, and this is my presentation for the first unit. My degree is in elementary education. I'm certified kindergarten through sixth grade. I received my bachelor's degree at Millersville University. I am currently a fourth grade teacher at Linglestown Elementary School. It's a school in the Central Dauphin School District. I am the classic student who has always dreamed of being a teacher and played school their whole life and always wanted to help their teachers. And now I am fulfilling my dreams. I enjoy spending time with my family and friends, playing games and shopping. My love for children doesn't stop in the classroom. I have four nieces and nephews that I enjoy spending time with as well. How do I think my students learn best in elementary in the fourth grade classroom, and what is the best way to teach them? Well, I think they learn best if they're interested and engaged in what is going on, also providing them with hands-on opportunities. I do a lot of small grouping, differentiated to their needs, for example, guided math and guided reading. I also think that they learn best and teach with the idea of a gradual release. I model, I do, we do, you do. Some issues that influences the students I'm working with. Thankfully, I teach at a pretty good school, so issues are minimal, but obviously there are still several students with some issues that come into the classroom that influence their learning. I would say the biggest thing is home life, the students' inconsistency in the home life or the lack of support for their education. Distractions. In the year 2018, there are many distractions to students. Again, home life could play into them, or just distractions of social media and things going on in the classroom and with technology. Also, a factor that I've been seeing a lot more lately is anxiety. And I don't know if it's a link to standardized testing, performance anxiety, or what is the culprit, but I've noticed a lot more students dealing with anxiety in the classroom. I try to respond to these issues by making the classroom a better environment for them to try to get away from these issues. This course will help me develop my disposition for expertise in two different things I thought of. In the Dweck TED Talk, it talked about students will run from difficulty, so I thought it'd be interesting to find out how to help students persevere through the difficulty and approach it with a better attitude than just to run. Also, in the Sawyer article, it mentions the curriculum design, which was very eye-catching to me because in my district we have curriculum to follow, but we're strongly encouraged to use that only as a resource, not to follow it, but to use different avenues. And I think that that goes hand in hand with this article where it says that the most effective teachers are those that can effectively use a wide range of degrees of structure, shifting between scaffolds and activity formats as the material and the students seem to require. So not just following that reading curriculum that is given to you, but able to implement different articles or activities that you see need for the students. Don't have too many concerns or worries, just I'm sure the same that everybody else has, juggling the demands of my daily job and getting my assignments done on time and making sure they are done to the best of my ability. Also, in a class like this with a wide range of students, sometimes I get nervous that it's, geared to secondary ed, and I'm only familiar with the elementary age. And to help me learn best is just a lot of organization and descriptive instructions usually help gratefully. Thank you.